just a quick video where I want to show you that you can actually power up the Insta360 Pro or Pro 2, like in my case here, with a simple 3S LiPo battery, like you'd use for drones, etc. So something like this one. To do this, I made this simple connector. It's an XT60 connector that connects to this one. Then I put a fuse here, just a simple 10 amp fuse, and the bevel connector 5.5 millimeter by 2.5 millimeters for the Insta360. And I'm going to show that it works. See, there's no battery inside here. Put my finger in. Let's close this up again. Then I just plug this in here, and as you can see, it starts blinking right away, and I can power it up. No battery inside, and it works fine. I've actually done this for hours of recording now, so it works perfectly. I power most of my equipment with 3S LiPo batteries, so no problem there. Yep, as you can see, it booted up, no problem. And I want to show you that you can not only use it without a battery inside, because some people are wondering if that's possible. You can also charge your battery with it. So if you want to keep the battery inside, let's see, where's the battery? There it is. And plug this in. Whoop. See, if we power it up now, you'll see that it is charging. Wait a sec. See there? It shows that it is charging. It's actually at 100%, but it would be charging if it wouldn't be filled. So yeah, that's it, and I hope there are no questions left. Anyway, if you have a question, just ask. I'll see what I can do.